I bought a can of Ronson butane fuel. It has enough fuel, or contains as much butane fuel as 90 disposable lighters. Open it up. What do we got? Just a pokey pin on the top. I got my little lighter right here. Let's see if you can see right in there. I don't know if this helps or not. No fuel. This is how easy it is to fill these things up. The little fill is right here on the top. Right up there. Right here on the top of the lighter, or the end, there's a little hole right there with the pin. All you do is get your can, put it down over the top of that pin, right there in that hole, and then push down. Boom. I could see the fuel shooting right up that window. Probably can't see it. Alright, here we go. There we go. We got fuel. That's how easy it is to fill up your own lighters. These things will last for a long time. My last can of this lasted for over 5 years until I lost the can. I don't even know where it went to, but it was still half full. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.